baby constantly get hiccups? Well, here's some suggestions on how to manage this. Now, firstly, try and feed your baby in a more upright position. Make sure you wind your baby sufficiently and keep them in an upright position for an extended period of time after each feed. If you're bottle feeding, try to minimise the amount of air that baby takes in during the feed. Make sure you keep milk in the teat at all times, and if your baby is over hungry, they may gulp in more air, which will mean that you will need to wind them more frequently. Finally, if the hiccuping persists, you may want to give baby smaller feeds more often. Hope this helps.